Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the word all. It's a simple yet powerful word that means every person or thing, or the whole amount. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up on your English skills, this word is one you'll hear and use often. Let's start with a few synonyms for all. Words like everybody, everything, and entire share similar meanings. For example, instead of saying, I invited all my friends to the party, you could say, I invited everybody to the party. Another example might be, I ate the entire pizza, which is another way of saying, I ate all the pizza. These words help you express the same idea in slightly different ways. Now, let's look at some antonyms of all. Words like none, nothing, and zero have opposite meanings. For example, if you say, there's nothing left in the fridge, that contrasts with saying, I ate all the food in the fridge. Another example might be, I saw none of the movie, which is the opposite of, I watched all of the movie. In everyday life, you'll find all used in countless expressions and sentences. You might say, Good morning, everyone. How are all of you today? Or, let's make sure we clean up all the mess before we leave. You could also hear someone say, That's all I have to say about that, to wrap up a conversation or thought. Here are a few more sentences with all. She worked all day to finish the project. We should spend all our time wisely. The team celebrated together after winning all their matches. So, to summarize, all is an essential word that helps us talk about every person, thing, or the whole amount of something. We explored its meaning, synonyms, and antonyms, and saw how it fits into daily conversations. I hope today's episode helped you feel more confident about using all in your own speaking and writing. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence with all and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you soon.